So how do you adjust the text display on the iPad? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So you just grab your iPad and open up the settings app where obviously everything gets managed. And in here, what you need to do is to check out the display and brightness. And we have two important toggles in here. So we have the bold text, which will not only adjust, one piece or title or whatever, but every single piece of text, like every letter will be thicker and bolder, making it more visible, right, to your eyes. Outside of that, we also have the text size, which shows this little slider, which lets you bump up the size of your text, generally speaking, across your iPad. Keep in mind as well that your iPad might be set to the zoomed out view. So at the bottom of the display and brightness, we have the display zoom right there. And if you have it set to more space, it might make it look a little bit smaller, including the text. So this is another area where you can make some changes and perhaps switch it back to the default mode. However, if you are talking about changing the font or style of the text of your iPad, well, running the latest iPad OS, it simply doesn't work. Apple doesn't allow us to change the system font, right? So this is as it is. We can only change the font within texting apps and whatnot, but it doesn't work that way. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one. Thanks a lot for your support, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.